I just started making YouTube videos this year, man. I've had my YouTube channel up now for 5 months. I think I started in July, so 6 months. 280 subscribers at this point. It's not huge. I've got 300 videos. Most of them are shorts. I realize most of you don't like sitting through 45 to an hour long of me just walking through a house, but some of you love that. So I'm trying to get some content for both sides, both the shorts and the long videos. Share your feedback. Let's grow together. I want to grow with you. I want to help you understand your home and make you feel more comfortable with the house that you're in right now and the houses you're going to buy in the future. You don't have to be a full-time home inspector to understand how a house works. You just have to know me. Flowing out here pretty good today. Oh, those are pretty Christmas decorations. So they've got a lot of the retaining wall block piled up here at the front of the property. Starting to do a lot of the dig outs around this other foundation or this other retaining wall. Digging up the side of this hill. Looks like we got some good granite. Yeah, this is a pretty steep grade coming up this drive. Pretty far up here in North Mesa. Not north of the 202 yet, though. You can see they put the, I believe that's a parge coat on there. Help waterproof that block wall, keep it from absorbing moisture and falling over. A lot of that cement down there looks pretty fresh. Yep, they just recently poured this concrete. Looks pretty fresh. Yeah, all the way around the outside. Well, it's a good thing they got it in before it rained. I'm not sure how long before it rained. It's fairly hard with this concrete. It's going to take a while to fully set. Right, that looks pretty good. So they've got the holes dug, they've got retaining walls installed, concrete poured, have not backfilled yet. What is that? God, that looks so wet, right? That's solid. This is that waterproofing. This will help seal up all these little tiny holes in the concrete to keep the water from penetrating in. Reporting. It's more about just reporting the facts than calling out problems on this one. But it's gonna be nice when they get it done. They'll have a nice view. It's a little bit rainy today, but very cool. This should be fun. So we're gonna see where everything comes in. I know there's a gas meter down here on the side, so it'd be interesting to know if they're gonna bring gas up from there. And once you get built up here, it's gonna be a nice view on the backside too. Get a little shade in the morning from the east, from the neighbor's property, and then afternoon sun till later on in the afternoon. Then you'll get a little bit of break. But nice location. Should be a sweet house. I'm excited to see what they do to it. Make it fancy. I want to see some fancy. Yeah, so I guess this lot in between these two properties is just a parking lot, like walking trail for the neighbors to hang out on. Maybe if it's part of their original property or if they bought two lots. Let's see if they have gas over here. Here's your concrete block, space in the middle, run your supports through that. Form boards, rebar. Alright. So they got a red line marked here, SRP gas. So we got gas going over there. Chances are they're just going to put a gas meter here. This is the neighbor's electrical panel. So yeah, we've got a main gas line right here. They're probably going to put a gas meter right here just so they can keep this. There's only one of these loops, and they don't have to make another loop down there since there's no property on the next side. I'll probably put the electrical panel close up here as well, so the police or the fire department can access it. Do have a water meter down here. Or what will be a water meter. Alright. That's it. Call it a day. Gonna go home and write up a report, put my pictures in it, state what I saw, and come back for the next one. Have a good day. Adam, if you're watching, just take a step, man. Just put it out there, put yourself out there. There's plenty of people in this world. There's plenty of fish in the sea, man. Just bait your line and throw it out and see what happens.